Hello and welcome to the channel. This video I'm doing a quick build of the Airfix Supermarine Spitfire Mk5c in 1/72 scale. Because of building tanks most of the time, I've normally got the model 90 to 95% built before any painting, so this is new to me, painting parts from the cockpit before assembly. I give all these parts a coat of NATO black. I had no cockpit green, so I mixed olive green with a few drops of light grey, diluted with lacquer thinner. There is a decal for the instrument panel, but since 80% of the cockpit is hidden, I just dry brushed a bit of aluminium on. I'll be honest, I did misread the instructions and painted the inside of where the landing gear is black, but it should be aluminium. You'll see I corrected this before gluing the wings together. This was a great fit with minimal gap each side. I masked off the windows on the front part of the canopy, following the frame with a toothpick, then carefully cutting around it with a hobby knife. Then glued this in place with Hombrol Clearfix. I used some sponge to cover the cockpit and any areas I'd already painted, and gave the whole model a coat of NATO black, diluted with lacquer thinner. There it is in NATO black, ready for some colour. This part of the aircraft is a medium sea grey. I didn't have any of that, so I used dark sea grey with a few drops of white. After that dried, which didn't take long, I masked up the bottom of the aircraft and mixed a light blue with a dark sea grey to make an ocean grey. Once that dried, I spent about an hour cutting masking tape to the camouflage pattern for the top of the aircraft, then airbrushed on dark green. I do enjoy this part, providing it goes right. The camouflage pattern isn't quite like for like, but close enough. Now more masking tape and a mix of buff with a bit of light grey for the beige parts. For the front of the wings, the closest thing I had was lemon yellow. Then a bit of gunmetal for the exhaust. I did get a bit of overspray on the wing there, but I'll dull that down later. Brushed on micro set before applying the decal, and once it was on and in the correct place, I brushed on micro sol. After another coat of gloss varnish to seal in those decals, I applied dark wash to the panel lines. I then used a brush dampened with enamel thinners to clean off the excess wash. For the exhausts, I used the same gunmetal paint with a bit of medium rust pigment by Ammo mixed in to give that burnt rusted effect. So 14 hours later, I added a few finishing touches because it really was getting late now. After giving the model a coat of matte varnish, I peeled the masking tape off the clear parts and used Airfix to glue on the last one. There it is, the Airfix Supermarine Spitfire Mk5c in 1/72 scale. Great kit, I enjoyed this build and will be building more aircraft in the near future. Thank you for watching.